So Gopinath Pattanayaka came to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and in the meantime Kashi Mishra went to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and told him that like this I have spoken to Maharaj Prataparudra, and Prataparudra told like this. Mahaprabhu got upset. He said, you used my name to take to get a favor for Gopinath Pattanayaka from the king. Is this how you do things? Now you have made me obliged to the king. You should not have used my name like this. Then Kashi Mishra told, no, Mahaprabhu, not like that. I did not, I told, the Maharaj Prataparudra told very specifically, please tell Mahaprabhu that I am excusing Gopinath Pattanayaka not because of Mahaprabhu, but because of my personal relation with Gopinath, I am releasing him. So please, so Mahaprabhu, it's not because you told that he is releasing, it is because out of his own volition he is doing it. So then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was also pacified. And then Gopinath Pattanayaka came along with Bhavananda Raya and his other brothers, and they came and fell. Vaninatha Raya and all these people, they came and fell at Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's lotus feet. And Bhavananda Raya told Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, oh Mahaprabhu, you have saved our whole family from a great disaster today. And so you have purchased us by your mercy. And then Gopinath Pattanayaka, he prayed to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He said, Mahaprabhu, you see, when I was taken on the Changa, I was constantly remembering your lotus feet. I did not know what else to do. I only remembered your lotus feet. And simply by remembering your lotus feet, I, who was supposed to be put on the Changa and killed, instead, I ended up with double my salary, being reinstated in my post, and being honored by the king himself. So, this is the glory of remembering your lotus feet. Simply by remembering your lotus feet, this much has been achieved. And then, he said one more thing, Gopinath Pattanayaka. He said, actually, all these things, these material benedictions that have come to me, saving my life, reinstating me as the collector, giving me double salary, getting respect from the King Prataparudra, these are all not the real glory of your lotus feet. Actually, I have not received the mercy of your lotus feet. Ramananda Raya and Vaninatha Raya have received your mercy. Why? Because they don't have any material desires. They are completely renounced. I am still not yet so renounced. I am still so much attached to my family and material things. So I am requesting you, Mahaprabhu, please, you give me the real mercy of your lotus feet. And like this, Gopinath Pattanayaka prayed to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Mahaprabhu also became very pleased with him. So from this we can see how this pastime of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Acharyas have stated that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not want, he did not desire, he did not specifically desire that Gopinath Pattanayaka should be relieved from his distressful condition, from his dangerous position. So then how did Gopinath Pattanayaka get relieved? Simply because people came and informed Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got a little disturbed. Because of that, immediately Gopinath Pattanayaka was released, and so much respect and opulence was bestowed upon him again. So this is a drop of the Lord's mercy. So imagine if the Lord's real mercy is given to a person, what will happen to him?